The next simple app is for exercising. Since we are in COVID times, we need to do some stretching. It is called stretching exercises. Okay, very simple app. It has n number of options for stretching exercises, and it actually shows you how to do these exercises in real time. Okay, so let us see what the first one says. Morning wake up. It is just for 5 minutes with 10 workouts. So I just click on it. It shows me what are the exercises and how they are to be done. So if I say start, it will, okay, there is an ad here because this is not a paid version. Okay, so
Ready to go. Start with bridge. Please do this on a mat. 3, 2, 1. Start. 20 seconds. Bridge. Breathe naturally.
it gives you
Half the
instructions
time.
also. It tells you what to do. It shows you visually.
3, 2, 1. Take a rest. Next. 20 seconds. Reverse crunches.
Can you see down below how
3,
it shows
2,
you what to do?
1. Start. 20 seconds. Reverse crunches. Don't pull your lower back up off the floor. Half the time. 3, 2, 1. Take a rest. Next. 20 seconds. Abdominal crunches. 3, 2, 1. Start. 20 seconds. Abdominal crunches. Exhale when raising and inhale when lowering. Half the time.
So even
Hold on and think about why you started. 3, 2.
it doesn't want you to quit, so it will allow not allow you to quit, and then you will have to force quit. But there is n number of exercises: morning warm up, sleepy time, splits, 14 days plan, full body stretching, neck and shoulder, lower back, knee pain, foam roller knee pain relief, pre-run warm up, post-run cool down, lower body stretching, etc., etc. You got a whole range of exercises. The app is called Stretching Exercises. Very simple. And then you can create your own training schedule. You can say my training, and then you can select some exercises from within the lot, and you can make your own schedule. You can say I want this, this, and this. So then you can go through it in that sequence, whatever you feel like. On the menu on the top left, you have these training plans. Then you can discover various things. Office chair, how you can stretch on office chair, lower back pain relief, menstrual cramps, lower body stretching, full body stretching, slimming your face, getting rid of double chin. Okay, there are lots of, yes, this is free. Whatever I am showing you is free. Then if you want advanced features, then you have to pay. But again, these are all apps which are very, very simple, which are not very expensive also. You can even get a report on which day what exercises you did, and it will show you. You can even monitor your weight, and it will show you on a graph. It's very simple but very effective. In the settings, you have this option where you can have a rest of 10 seconds or more or less or whatever, countdown time 15 seconds, sound options, and if you go premium, then you have lots of other features. The cost is 430 rupees per month or 1700 rupees per year, but it is a very, very, yes, there are many apps similar to this. This icon is okay, you want to see the icon. It is called stretching. So I'll just say stretching. it looks like this. Can you see it? I can't expand it much. Yeah, it shows a person who is stretching. I can't expand it, no. Okay. So just look for stretching exercises, and this is the exercise you will get. Very simple but very useful, because within 10 minutes, 15 minutes, you can do a whole lot of stretches which will be useful for you for the rest of the day. Okay.